Hi guys, Mandy from XQZT Floral. I said I was going to finish my unicorn Christmas tree. The only thing is the unicorn Christmas tree tried to fly. The cat got in it and the Christmas tree kind of went down twice. So we've had to set it up 3 times now. And so the kids did the last one and they set it all up. And so this is the result of the kids setting up the Christmas tree. I just wanted to show you the unicorn Christmas ornament that Riley made. So she made several of these. She made a dozen of these with all kinds of different unicorns. And those are all in the tree. And then I showed you on a tutorial how to do the poinsettias. So we put those in the tree as well. And we put the sparkly beads in the center. And then we've added the ribbon to the tree. And I'm just going to show you how to add ribbon just to give it a little more depth so it has a little more 3D look and it looks a little bit more unicornish, I guess would be the word for it. So you're just going to take a strip of ribbon and you're going to slide it in. You can use the branches to secure it if you like by just folding it around the branch. You're going to puff it up and you're going to slide it in another section. So you kind of have a nice flow going on. And you're going to add several of those pieces. I'm going to add another one over here. To do these poops, you have to have ribbon that has wire in it. Because otherwise, if it doesn't have wire in it, it's not going to poop out like that. So then there's another one. Tuck that in. And then I've gotten as well, whenever you see the unicorn pictures, there's always flowers. So I'm going to add some flowers into the tree as well. Just to give another little pop of color. And there we've added flowers to the tree. So while trying to deal with our tree crisis, I wasn't sure that I was going to film the tree because of the whole tree falling and trying to fly kind of thing. We've actually put weights on the bottom of the tree. We had 15-pound weights sitting around, so we put weights on the bottom of the tree. We're going to cover that up with some cotton snow and the tree skirt so you won't see them at all, but we're hoping that that will save the tree from trying to fly again. But while I was thinking about that, I thought, what can I do for our next video? And so I thought about coming up with a unicorn advent for the kids to do, because the kids love unicorns, and every year everybody gets the advent calendars and the chocolate pops out. So I thought I would come up with something that they could do. And see, there's the kitty in the tree again. This is the problem, is this kitty right here. Thinks she has to climb in the tree. Anyways, so I came up with these, and they're little boxes, and I'm going to put them in the Christmas tree. I'm going to make them fancier. This was just my prototype, just to see if it was going to work. So I made this tonight, and then the little horn, we'll glue the horn on top. But I'm going to make them out of sparkly boxes. And then what happens is they'll have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 24. On the 24th, they're going to have a big, huge box that they're going to open that's going to have a bigger surprise for them. But from the 1st until the 24th, they're going to have these little boxes. And all they do is take the lid off and they open, and it'll have candy inside for them. So we have 3 kids, so we're going to put 3 candies inside of each of these boxes. And then each day they'll have a box to open, and it'll be on our Christmas tree for them. So next we'll be doing, I'll show you how to do these boxes. And I will have them all done, and we'll be putting them in the Christmas tree so you guys can see. And then on the 24th, we will be opening the big box that the kids get. So I thought that was a kind of exciting idea. I was having nightmares about unicorn trees chasing me. So this was what resulted of the unicorn tree chasing me. So stay tuned for that and see how that goes with me building the nice sparkly boxes for them. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.